So this video picks right up where we left off with calling our selected product set method, setting the product ID, and then clearing the list of related product set items. So when we are on our Visualforce page and this select link is clicked, it makes that controller callback method to selected product set, sets the product set ID, and then re-renders the page layout. Now we have in various places a merge field with a formula function in there that tests to see whether the value of product set ID is blank or not. Now blank includes both null and an empty string. So in general I use isBlank as a single test method instead of having to keep track of what times I should be using isNull versus what times I should be using length is equal to 0. IsBlank takes care of both of those cases for us. So we have isBlanks and not isBlanks scattered throughout this particular page, and that helps control which sections are shown based on how far through the process you are of selecting a product set. So on our initial page, when we haven't selected a particular product set yet, the value of our product set ID is going to be blank. That means it will render this section, and this section contains our table which shows the list of product sets. As soon as we've clicked our select command link and it goes back to the controller, sets the value of our product set ID, this page block section will no longer be rendered. Now it will render these two page block sections instead, because we've defined these to render only when our product set ID is not blank. This is a section that displays the fields at the top of our product set. So our name, our campaign, our region, total number of products. And then this section is all of the associated products on that product set. And so it does something similar to our page block table up here. It loops through the list of product set items in this case, and it shows the product name, the code, the family, the quantity, and the discount. Now here we're using a combination of relationship lookups and formula fields. So going back to our definition of a product set item, we have set up a product code formula field. This is simply a lookup through the relationship of a product to the product code. Now on our page we could have used product _r dot product code just as easily, but I wanted to use the formula to demonstrate that we can do both relationship lookups and formula fields as long as we are selecting them in our list of product set items. So all of the fields that get displayed in this table of associated products have to be pre-selected in our controller. And one of the things that you'll find is that if you try to reference a field that hasn't been queried, you will get a SQL error. So that largely concludes this set of technical demos. We've had a look at how we can change the page layout based on whether an item has been selected or not. And we've had a look at how we use the filter criteria to change the display of which product sets are shown and which ones aren't. Thank you for watching.